G'day ladies, gentlemen, and variations thereupon. I'm going to be dedicating to you through the power of YouTube, and once again I have another loot crate for the June box, which is Transformers. So without further ado, let's open her up and see what's in it. And I have scissors. Yay for scissors. Okay. Bam. So first up we have the Transformers, More Than Meets the Eye, or Subject X, the Transformations. Let's see that. Cool. Series 2, so looks like a blind box. Talking Optimus Prime. Okay, top there, Series 2. Let's see what we've got. Good-o. Right. No, I think he's got a hand camera. And he's got some toys with it. Okay. Oh. Sword there. There. That's in. There. Okay, there you go. We have a Transformer. Cool. Now I think the box said it talked. 3-second phrases. So this seems to be Slag, which I had a 2 out of 16 chance of getting, and which, you know, 1/8. I could have just said that. 3 minus 3 phrases. I don't think it actually talks, but then it has this. Slag is the Dinobot that most likely to live up to the team's bad reputation. Slag is surely mean-spirited, nasty, and disturbingly violent. Got his little bio there. I don't actually believe he talks. That's okay. Slag, you can stand just there and have a great time. Okie dokie, who's next? We then have a t-shirt, which nice red one. Most of the loot crates have been black, so I'm glad I have a red one this time. Time Traveler Marty McPrime. Yeah, so we've got a Marty McFly as a Transformer. That is actually pretty awesome. I'm just going to sit that on the chair there. That's pretty cool. Okay. Then we have a Transformers Hexbug, which is pretty cool. Let's read here. Transformable Nano moves by using vibration technology. Trademark 0 to 3 set onions, Hasbro's. Okay. That's open. Okay, so we have this little thing here. Ooh! Oh, that's weird. It's got little things. And a switch. Oh! So it looks like one of those little cockroaches. So check out that. It will just bounce all over the place. How cool is that? That is really cool. I used to have a solar powered cockroach that used to do the exact same thing, except Well, they took solar instead of the little batteries. Get him, Slag. I wonder if I do it like that, and have it like that, he will go in a circle. Look at that. There you go. Ah, pretty cool. So the other way. Really like Slag for some reason. Okay, that's pretty cool. What's next? We have an MLG. There we go. You can sit there with Slag. Sweat wristband thing. MLG. I'm not sure what that is. Something game, I suppose. Pretty basic there. Alright. Bam, look at that. All sweaty, nice. And we have Warheads. I used to love these as a kid. Ooh. Got a strange sour, black cherry, another black cherry, blue raspberry. Oh, great memories right there. Stickers. I'm going to the Transformer sticker there. Oh, MLG, man, this will give us an explanation. Play video games, win cash, redeem your game battles, $5 extra value. Okay, cool. Well, MLG.tv/redeem, I suppose. I'm not sure what that is, but there you go. Sit that there. More stickers. MLG. Use these stickers and show your support for some of the top MLG teams. There you go, guys. You can see that. That's great. Okay, so they put the magazine back in. That's pretty cool. Because they were having like an online zine, which, you know, worked. Information, there's a comic there. Pretty cool. And last but not least, we've got the Lootcrate badge. So all in all, that's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with this one. Actually, I'm not a huge Transformers fan, but at the same time, you know, it's pretty awesome. Cool. Okay, so just to recap, we have Slag here, who is a Transformer Dino thing with tail and all that, which is pretty cool. We had this bug thing which likes to roam. And jump off things. We had this MLG. We had this MLG wristband. Some Warheads there. A really cool t-shirt. There's no way that's going to fit in frame, but the time traveler Marty Mac Prime. You got Prime there, dressed up as Marty McFly with a DeLorean in a really cool like jumper, and then stickers, and yeah, which was all pretty cool. Anyway guys, I'm going to head off, so thank you for watching. Hit subscribe to see more Loot Crate stuff and a whole heap of other really awesome things. Anyway, keep awesome, and I'll see you next time. Bye.